Alright, so we have some unboxings to do. Can't even speak today. We've got the E-BLUE Cobra mouse pad here. We've got our Thermaltake Poseidon Z keyboard with the blue switches. And we have a Logitech G602. My mouse and keyboard were kind of on the fritz, so we bought some new ones. So we'll go ahead and get into these. One-handed, of course. Only way to do it, since I don't have a tripod. And there's our mouse pad. Very nice and long. We'll do our keyboard next. No wonder it was upside down, because the opening is on the back, oddly enough. Or top, or however you want to look at it. So, we've got our handy dandy box. And our keyboard. Looks like we've got a warranty policy. And multi-language quick installation. And of course an empty box. So there's that. I'll pull this guy out so we can take a look at it. I have not had a chance to use this yet. I will put a review up after a month or so of use. So here it is. We've got our gaming switch here, and for the most part here with function keys we've got our media keys, and if we listen, that's bottoming out, and it's pressing enough to actuate it. Bottoming out, and just enough to actuate. If we flip it over here, we've got 3 rubber pads along the front, 2 in the back, rubber risers if you prefer to game that way, and some cable routing. So yeah, there is our new Thermaltake Poseidon Z keyboard. Go ahead and take a look at our Logitech G602 gaming mouse. As soon as I figure out how to open said box. Where do you go? That's really... wow. This is going to be interesting. Making a mess of things, it looks like. There we go. Well, I never said I could open a box and keep it looking pretty, I guess, huh? Really? It's just like taped in there. Yeah, it was just like taped in there. Weird. So this probably has absolutely nothing in it. it's empty. So we will focus on this guy. See, we've got our wireless communicator, it looks like. What's this thing? Tell you what, it is really tough to open a box one-handed. This is probably going to be our guides. Yep, set of guide, important information. And of course, the tricky part. I'm going to go ahead and set you guys down while I fiddle with this. Hopefully you can see from right there. There. So we've got our wireless dongle here. So I wonder what that other deal is then. And our mouse. Some fancy buttons. Cool. So there we are. There's our Logitech G602 unboxing. Got the wireless dongle, the mouse, instructions, and it's like a extender thing if you feel that's important. So we will see you guys for the reviews of these items in about a month or so. And for now, feel free to like, subscribe, and dislike if you disliked it, and see my enormous mess of boxes, of course. So, hasta luego.